Hello. In this video, we will see how to write alphabet ne in Tigrigna, Geez, Amharic, or Tigre. So let's start reading the slide that we see on the right side of the screen. Let's start. Ne, nu, ni, na, ne, n, no. Okay, let's see how to write this fidalat that we've seen. Okay, so ne is written like this. So let's do 7 ne, all these are ne. Ne, 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 ne. So I will change this to nu, this to ni, this to na, nie, ne, no. Okay. So for ne, if I add this line, it becomes, it changes to nu. If I add this at the bottom, it turns ni. This is na. This is ne. This is n. And this is like na, but I have to add a round here. So what I'm doing is ne, nu, ni, na, ne, n, no. Okay. So if we look here, this is no, like this one. This is ne, no, ni, na, ne, n, no. Okay, so what we are saying is this is ne, and this is no, ni, na, ne, n, and finally no. Okay, so this is ne, nu, ni, na, ne, n, no. I will come with other alphabet in the next video. Thank you.